Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix drafts on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok application, you simply need to click on the post icon in the bottom and record a video. So I'm going to record a random video here. And once you record a video, you simply need to click on next and click on drafts. So here you can see that drafts are showing here, and if you want to edit them you simply need to click on that and click on next, and you can edit that draft. But if that draft is not showing to you, the other thing is that maybe you delete that draft by clicking here. So to fix this draft issue, you simply need to click on save as draft. But if you delete draft, there is no way to recover that. So this is the process by which you can fix drafts on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.